What if you could travel to other galaxies, transcend time, and reshape the future? Welcome to the realm of Interstellar. Imagine a world where Earth is on the brink of extinction, plagued by dust storms and failed crops. A place where the once blue skies are now clouded with despair and the future of mankind hangs in the balance. In this dystopian setting, we meet our main characters. Joseph Cooper, a former NASA pilot turned farmer, and his bright, curious daughter, Murph. Their bond is the beating heart of the story, a testament to human spirit amidst the chaos. But what sets their journey in motion is the mystery of the ghost, a seemingly supernatural presence in Murph's room that leaves behind a coded message. Could this be a desperate plea from a dying planet or a beacon of hope from the cosmos? As we set foot into the unknown, the journey to save mankind begins. The Lazarus missions, a beacon of hope or a harbinger of despair. Welcome to the second chapter of our deep dive into the labyrinthine narrative of Interstellar. Let's paint a picture of the Lazarus missions. Named after the biblical figure who was resurrected from the dead, the Lazarus missions represent humanity's last-ditch effort to rise from the ashes of a dying Earth. 12 brave astronauts, each a pioneer, each a hero, set forth on a solitary journey to 12 potential worlds, seeking a new home for humanity. Armed with the resolve to save their species, they embody the spirit of exploration and sacrifice. Now let's talk about the plan. The goal was simple: find a new habitable world. The execution, however, was anything but. The astronauts had to navigate through a wormhole, a bend in the fabric of space and time located near Saturn. This was an unprecedented endeavor, a leap into the unknown, a gamble with the highest stakes imaginable, the survival of the human race. But why leave Earth, you ask? Well, Earth was on its last legs. Crops were failing, dust storms were ravaging the land, and humanity was on the brink of extinction. The decision to leave Earth was not a choice, but a necessity. It was a desperate bid to ensure the continuation of our species, to keep the flame of humanity burning. The Lazarus missions were not just about finding a new home. They were about hope, about humanity's indomitable spirit, about our refusal to go gentle into that good night. They were a testament to our ability to look beyond the horizon, to dream of a future among the stars, to reach out and touch the face of the cosmos. And so, our brave explorers embark on a journey not knowing what lies on the other side. The Lazarus missions, a beacon of hope or a harbinger of despair? Only time and the vastness of the cosmos will tell. Imagine crossing the threshold of reality into the realm of the unknown. That's the journey through the wormhole, an experience that defies our understanding of space and time. It's not just about traveling from one point in the universe to another. It's a leap into the abyss, a plunge into the heart of a cosmic mystery. Imagine the challenges that our explorers face. The journey is fraught with danger and uncertainty. It's like sailing through a storm where the very fabric of the universe becomes a tumultuous sea. Then there's the first visit to the water world, a planet of endless oceans where towering waves rise like skyscrapers. It's a world that seems to promise life, a new home for humanity. But it's a deceptive beauty. The reality is far from the dream. In the face of time dilation and a hostile environment, our explorers learn that not all that glitters is gold. In the cold vastness of space, the warmth of trust can melt away. This reality hits our heroes hard as they encounter the chilling betrayal of Dr. Mann, a man they once looked up to. Dr. Mann, in his desperation to survive, abandons all morality, proving that in the face of fear, even the most respected can falter. The exploration of the second planet, a barren wasteland of ice and deception, further intensifies the sense of betrayal. It's a stark reminder that the universe isn't always what it seems, mirroring the facades we often put up in our own lives. The planet, seemingly a beacon of hope, turns out to be as cold and uninviting as the traitor they once trusted. Yet as they navigate this icy terrain, the real monster looms in the background, the black hole, Gargantua. A monstrous maelstrom of gravity and time, Gargantua is a beast that feeds on light and spits out darkness. It's an embodiment of the very fear that led to Dr. Mann's betrayal, a constant reminder of the perils that await those who dare to explore the unknown. The black hole is not just a physical obstacle, but a metaphorical one. It represents the gaping void left by Dr. Mann's betrayal, the uncertainty of their mission. and the darkness they must confront within themselves. It's a reflection of the existential dread we all face when confronted with the vast, indifferent universe. As they stare into the abyss of Gargantua, they're forced to confront their own mortality, their dwindling hope, and their fading trust in each other. It's a moment that tests their resolve, their courage, and their faith in humanity. They stand on the precipice of the unknown, their hopes hanging by a thread, their trust shattered, their missions seemingly doomed. Yet in the face of such overwhelming odds, they find the strength to persevere. With survival on the line and time running out, our heroes face their darkest hour. Can love be the key to understanding the universe? Cooper's journey into the black hole, a territory uncharted and unknown, takes us to the heart of this question. This is where the concept of the tesseract comes into play. The tesseract, essentially a three-dimensional shadow of a four-dimensional object, is an environment beyond our comprehension. Yet it is here that Cooper finds himself afloat in a seemingly endless array of bookshelves. This is no ordinary library, though. Each shelf represents a moment in time, specifically moments from his daughter Murph's life. Cooper's love for Murph is the thread that ties him to these moments. It's his beacon, guiding him through the tesseract's complexities. Love, in this sense, becomes a tangible force, a connection that transcends the confines of traditional dimensions. As we journey deeper into this unexplored abyss, we stumble upon the revelation of the ghost. Remember the mysterious entity that had been meddling with Murph's bookshelf, leaving behind cryptic messages? That ghost was none other than Cooper himself, reaching out from the tesseract, from a dimension beyond our understanding. What's truly fascinating here is how love plays a pivotal role in solving the gravity equation. It's love that allows Cooper to communicate the quantum data from the black hole. He transmits this data through the watch he gave Murph, using the second hand's movements as a Morse code. This vital information eventually helps humanity solve the gravity problem and escape Earth. Love, in the realm of Interstellar, is not just an emotion. It's a force of nature, a dimension in itself. It's a tool for communication, a bridge between worlds, a key to solving the universe's mysteries. It's the compass guiding Cooper, leading him back to his daughter, back to humanity. It's the driving force that helps humanity transcend its boundaries and reach for the stars. In the end, it was love that transcended the boundaries of space and time. Love, it seems, is not bound by the laws of physics. It's a force that exists beyond dimensions, a force that can truly make the impossible possible. Every end is a new beginning. A poetic sentiment indeed, and one that perfectly encapsulates the resolution of Interstellar. As the movie draws to a close, we find ourselves back on Cooper Station, named after our hero, Joseph Cooper. Here in this circular space habitat orbiting Saturn, the remnants of humanity have found a new home. It's a testament to our species' resilience and adaptability. We've taken the stars, once unreachable, and made them our own. But it's not the technological marvels or the awe-inspiring vistas of Saturn that truly capture our hearts in these final moments. It's a reunion that transcends time and space, a reunion between a father and a daughter. Cooper, having traveled through wormholes and across galaxies, finally meets his daughter Murph again. Only she's not a young girl anymore. Time, cruel and relentless, has aged Murph. She's now an elderly woman on her deathbed, surrounded by her own descendants. Yet in her father's eyes, she's still the little girl he left behind on a dying Earth. It's a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made and the time lost, but also of the love that endures. Murph, in her final moments, gives her father one last mission: to find Brand, who is alone on Edmund's planet, starting a new colony for humanity. And so Cooper embarks on another journey, this time not for the survival of humanity, but for companionship, for love. And that's the final message of Interstellar. It's not a story about space travel or wormholes or black holes. It's a story about us, about the lengths we would go to ensure the survival of our species, about the sacrifices we would make for those we love, and about the hope we hold for a new beginning. Interstellar challenges us to question the nature of our existence and the lengths we would go to ensure the survival of our species. It's a journey that takes us to the stars and back, and leaves us looking up at the night sky with a newfound sense of wonder and awe.